Hello, what's up everybody? Today in this video, I'm about to teach you guys how to install Call of Duty onto your Android device. You can install this onto any kind of Android device you are using right now. It's a very dope game that I have played for one day. Yeah, it is dope. So yeah guys, let's install this game right now. So the very first thing is that you guys want to go ahead onto the Play Store and download the Jarkyber. Alright, and also make sure to download the APK file from the description down below, as well as it will include OBB file. So you need to download the both file from the description down below. So yeah guys, just go to the description down below and download that file ASAP. Okay, and once you guys have downloaded the file, now all you guys want to do is open up your Jarkyber, and from there you want to browse where you guys have downloaded the file. So mine is under the GameCube ROM, and tap on here. Now from this you want to extract this zip file. Tap over here and you want to click on this extract triple dot, okay, and extract. Now go back and you want to find the Android folder, and from here go to the OBB folder, and you can now extract over here. And it will take some time. So you need to have some patience over here. So wait for until it's been done. And now you can see that I have already copied and pasted onto the OBB folder. So now all you guys want to do is you want to open up your file manager and install code. Okay, just install that APK given file and install the COD or Call of Duty. Now tap on done and go back. Now that after you guys have installed the Call of Duty onto your mobile, now you guys need to install the ExpressVPN, or you can also use the TunnelBear. So I recommend the ExpressVPN, and then you want to connect to the Indian server so that you won't get any kind of problem while you guys log in onto your Call of Duty. So just connect to the Indian server, or if you guys are from the India, you guys don't need to do that. Okay, you guys don't need to install a VPN or anything like that, because you can just open the Call of Duty and play. But if you are out of the India, or if you guys are from somewhere else, you still need to do this. So once you guys have connected to the VPN on the Indian server, you can now open up your Call of Duty mobile. Now it should detect the version, you say like that, getting some information of your version, and then tap on continue. Now you can do simply is log into your Facebook or just guest account. I hope they will add some Twitter and also the Google Play, but for now you can use the Facebook. So just go ahead and tap on that Facebook icon, and it should send you onto your lobby. Alright, so once you guys have joined to the lobby, you will get some tutorial on how to play this game and stuff like that. So you can use this as a guide, so you can play on those things like multiplayer or rank or clan mode. So if you want to play simply the battle royale, then just tap on this over here, which is battle royale live, and then you will see one guy here, and you can click on match. Then you can choose the TPP or FPP, but I recommend here is the FPP because it's more fun to play in FPP more than TPP. So play. You can also join with your squad if you want, but if you guys don't do that, you will join with some random people here. You can see that I've been already connected. The graphics of the game is not that good, but I hope in the next update of this game they'll definitely do some good on your graphics as well. And right now my gyro sensor is not working. You can also use the gyro sensor if you want, but I don't know how to use that. So if anybody want to use, or anybody know that how to use, then tell me how to use that. You can ride the helicopter and do anything in the spawn island. You can see that we have been riding the helicopter here for a long time here. This is just like a PUBG, and if you guys also play Apex Legend, there is some kind of mixture of this game. Okay, I think this is a mixture of Fortnite, Apex Legend, PUBG, and the Rules of Survival. What do you guys think about this? Even people are saying this game does look like a Free Fire. I don't know, but when I played this game, it was just awesome. Okay, there is no any question or any doubt on this game. It just works super fine. So you can see easily that the graphics is not that bad. Okay, in comparison to the PUBG, this is good graphics, I think so. And there is no any kind of bug or anything here like we used to face in PUBG daily. So there is no any kind of bug or anything in this game. You'll get a separate plane for your squad, and my squad is already jump. You can also jump if you want. You can solo the squad just like this. I'm not a good player in this game, but I've been just installing and playing this game for one day, just for one day. And you can see the game runs so smooth. If you guys have higher end device, you will get 60 frames per second. Well, now you can see that I'm playing the game, so you can also play the game. And the game is so similar, and the looting system and the guns are so similar to the PUBG Mobile. If you guys have ever played the PUBG, then you might be familiar to this game, okay? But the setting is not that good. The setting is not that good. I mean, these controllers, it does really suck. And the developer, you know, they must fix these bugs on the, I mean, not the bug, but it's kind of like very bad controller here. I can't use this like a PUBG. Like, you can use a gyro, but you can see that the gyro is not working at all. In the setting, you can see the sensitivity. You can see that you can switch to the low, mid, high, and whatever you like. And at the end, you can see the gyro, but I don't know how to turn this on. You can see that everything is fine, but the gyro is not working like we used to on the PUBG. But you can still use the ADS. Okay, you can see this. I can swipe down this firing button and use the ADS, which is perfectly okay, I think. Yeah, I'm dead. I know that. Some zombie killed me. So if you guys have any question, then you can just comment down below, and I will try to help you as soon as possible. So yeah, guys, I hope this video really helped you out. If you guys think this video was really helpful for you, then please be sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. And as usually, thank you very much for watching this video. It's me, Susan, signing out right now. Peace out.